Ka National Testing Agency NTA kalabo arpun rutli center nagabentaban pynlong ya ka eksamin Common University Entrance Test CUET ha Meghalaya. Kabakentop iki khat artli center aganong ba Shillong santli ha Jawai bat khandai tli ha Tura. Ha kabakila don khat prahajar sauspa arpu arngot kisamla pule kibla thap kerteng bane khon ya kene ka eksamin. La ban kedo bahagi arsnem kiblalet ki NTA ka klem pynlong satya kene ka eksamin ha gejala Meghalaya. Hadin ke jing'uat ni kisamla pulia ban ki kenuhun baper kabla penlong ya ke sarkar jela ban pha da ke jing tho sya ke NTA ba sya ke sarkar pedeng ban pelat ya ke jela da ke jing penlong ya ke ni eksamin agni ki arsnam ki balalait habe kran bagi kena ki mele ke ni eksamin ki long bagi la don ya ke jing snus ir ban rong ha ki kamera tho eksamin namar ba ke de ke sien ke banding kong ya ki ban ko ni eksamin QET Nrai ki jingkeli ki long ki babiang baki dai hi ki bagi pulia hagi school ni ki college jongki bat kam shim labu jing ya ki ban tho ya ka eksamin QET
ka khambyang hi ke exam te panya ka bos te khambyang hi na ni tamba ki don hi ki part bom de na ka embos nga ki don hi question tangku ta hi
ngam tepla dang day first time ka ngam labhara
Atau kini ki jingkeli ki duan ki dena ka syllabus ka bakule mo pila ki wala sa barpat.
tang nakot hi class 12 ki wanas gitu hi NCRT tang kita
Temu ki kule ada exam ka ban ko kidat kan ka jingkeli wa timan clear kan.
ngarang sudah tho kanit long rakam di hi
In appearing in this exam.
It was good, not hard. I think chemistry was a little tricky. That's all. Biology was easy. Overall good. Exam was overall good. Yeah.
No, we did not had any kind of fear. We were jolly. That's all.
So for how many days did you prepare to appear in this exam?
I prepared from online platforms.
It was quite organized properly, but it could be better.
So, can you share us a little bit about those questions that came?
It's based on class 12 only. So
Was it according to the syllabus that you studied?
yes, it's according to it, and I think it's very aligned to the books only of the class 12. Yeah.
So how many days did you take to prepare for this exam?
I think just after the boards, if you can, then that would be a lot better. For the ones like me who did not, then it's still not good. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us about the question?
The questions were like quite conceptual, and it's also kind of like if you study then you'll definitely could answer.
So for how many days did you prepare to appear for this exam?
After exams I took like a break for 1 week, and then I started preparing for my other entrance exam and as well for this one.
So how do you feel after you have appeared this exam? How was your performance according to you?
I guess it was quite fine.
biology was very easy. Chemistry was also, it wasn't too difficult. Nothing was out of syllabus.
So do you mean that all these questions that came was all according to the syllabus that we had studied earlier?
Yes, it's all according to the syllabus. Nothing came out of syllabus. Chemistry was all right, but biology was very easy.
So how do you feel when you appeared for this exam?
I feel good. Yeah, I'm happy.
Thank you. What about you? What was your...
Same for me. Like bio was easy, and then chemistry was also fine. Yeah.
All these questions that came today?
Yeah, it came.
Was according to the syllabus of yours?
Yes, it came according to the syllabus only.
Thank you.
Thank you.
wala ka eksamin QET kalong kebayat bet ya renti ya ki babon ki santa ha jela Nrai ki samla pule ke beko ne ka eksamin QET ak skol ba Northeastern Hill University kila kulmar haba kila syapna bhado ar kenta tam ban yo tho ka eksamin jongki kani ke jingja kala penbitar ki khna ba ki kimi ki pa namare ka eksamin ke bari banlong ha kapor lai beje mensngi ki bor penya jong skol ba NEHU kila penlong ha dok kapor san steng jan miet Badwat ki kena ki bari banele ke eksamin ke porsan bajiro ilha bane kon kam slam no ke eksamin namar ke jingslem ban penlong ya ke eksamin ke bari banlong ha ke por lai bajir ki kimi ki kpa jong ki kena ki lekno bagi board penyat ke NEHU kim shum la pen khre bah ha ban penlong ya ke eksamin Bat wat ki roll number ru syam lawa, bat kene kalabu ak jing ki kena ban tip ka kamera ka bagi de ban syong ban tho ek eksamin. Kilong bagi kena kila poin aduk dang step. Nre kim syam layo ek bam, bat kim syam layo ru ka jaka ban ri aslap. Ba kila let ban ek eksamin ha pedang ke jing jihe, baru syrenyang bat ha pedang ke jing tengan. Kila kena ru bakrukam penyat kam syam lalong ka babiang ha ka bala saki ya ke jing tenyan juki kena ban yang lan. Bar kala poi ru syada uput ba arngot ki badai menekoni ke eksamin kila kampang balahap banra no iki syakijaka sumar bakla donru ke jing halan ki samla ki bela bitar bagilah ban ap daki kenta ban yorong syakijaka tho eksamin
kena ki bawan hang ni ngacu isun hadu kata-kata namar don ki bawan nado dang step ki ablan hang ni ti kasyar kimyo kajar kimyo ti hadu menta san baje klem yo sha klem yo ja tigi apang to ar kanta jingkeli rom dan chue chong kai te nagaliang jonga achu ai jingmot ya sarkar kan bha shibon kum kini ki jaj exam dalong bala ai ba jak to school baki late school he kinom yaman long ro kom ni bi janjar ni ro ngi sitom jingmot te pha ba lang baki school ga baki ki late ai kin tho hang to kanom janjar hadu kan ne kan tangkum ta ngai jingmot ya sarkar
Jingja pada ke exam mana?
Hi kena ke jingjia men step. Mensngi ha kapor shibiji tam ai. Jingsha ki kena ke bon yele ke ke CUET ke la kmit nanti ba. Margin 1 hang ne kin yu ki roll number jong ki hang no bedi ben syong hang kadu kamera section yu ha ke cluster hang ni. Tenrei ha ke tu ke por bagi 1 kamton kenu no ke jing display hang ni. Ya kira number bet kini kita tigi kena kira syi apsa le se hadin kin sayo rung cepok da ka bakin yo ya ki number joki bakin rung hakano ka kamera la ni kanu ka section tingim tip nagaleng ki bor juga NEHU hakano kom ki yebo ya ka arrangement ha ka bakin semla ban le systematic ke hadin ba kala poi kumba RBJ ngangadon hang ni markmat kon jungaru idan hang ni te kalau don keji halah hang tei ha ka ba kila ong hadu kata balik plishu hadu RBJ but hadin bala poin tu wan so slap bejur ha menne ha ka ba kala penkelumar kini ba yang sebar la ya jelot la ya tenyan di bor ba hang tu gate but ke bon kala ya tenyan tu kena ka thai bon ke bala ya stom no ha ka rekom ya kenyang ban ya kini yo lain but kai ha ka tu ko por kala jiano da ka ba ki persyang ban penrung sepok andai ha penrung sepok ru ntep hang no ber menchong kam simdon ka display watang kdir ru but ha ka bakot hi ki bon ki kena ki mi biang ban page ha ki doni kenjan notice berit bala display hang tu handai kam da syai bha ye ki section ki ber menchong ha ka bakot ki kena ki la sui ang lengo parung barok kini ki ba penyat yang tur kimnang syuk hang no ban buk namar la ye bon pajba ngimat kalau long over kani kapasiti ke ba ki pha ha ke center ngi i ba kalau don ka delay hadu kata-kata ba kini nong penyat turut kila haban sange kumba shigentai ai tingi ngala ye don sini seban ngi perkhat ke exam kala de ya la de ban kot lam no sawji la ne sauduna hanrei ndang ila poi hang ne ban up ban shaw ne ki khun kiong ka exam part sedang dah hap sedang mentah-mentah hadirin balawan nagaleng ki bor peniat juga NEHU dikeni ka pensa akan ngok ingi ki kimi ki kepala ni ki bayade jindai kini ki kon ki ba wan ye kon ni kini ke exam CUET but ngala banong lesi kini ke failure jong ka jing peniat hang ni hapo ka center hang ni but lakum nom kimi lenti ba kum kini ki jing jia kin mdai syuk banja ngala persyang man telefon si kuwi sebentar bakayat kumno ki ong kamdan ni kayat bet peacefully por ke bakila bu ban sedang kayat bet por ban kot ru kayat bet hanri datang ha ke center hi ke ba mi ke jing ya huri-hura ka ba bon menne kila ya pertaru da ka ba ong balai ke jia kumne te ngi syukwa banong phi ba nagliang jongi ki kimi ki pa ki bon yalami kon bat ki paiba baro ngin pa ba ke jing jia kan repeat hagani ka jela ka jungi la ni kebekum gini bon ki kena ngai syu tarai bakim ba nervous ru kin bon ba ki ba shuile tang dep no igani exam namar la sutho nalor ba hakar kom rung kom syong ru kalalong jhamela but hage juga por ru ka ba ngala banong ka timing ka ba nong nadu live ji ru kala extend hadu sawji but ki khna ki la artatin but nga sutho ba kan don sibun ka nervous ki khna ki ba yele ki exam but kami nanti ba lada ka sarkar ka di ban pembek hukum ki ja exam kala de ban long advance ka arrangement kam de shu ban long ruing kuma kalong mentah
bang ai ya ka exam hala ka jong ka skur hala ka jong ka jaka khnang bakan suk ya kinong ki ya khna ki ba lej skur hanong gendong da ka wang iwan hang ni ka don ka jeng kelumar ka pan kelumar ru ya ki kumno kin le kumno kin rong nomor bakan ni ka san buat bagi bu kim shai ba kadar kim simbo ya ka ai ka san buat ka haka jaka ka byang ki bu ya ka san buat i barit kamlong sip ya ki Kini kita ngil haga bawan kislap ngila ri hala ka jongga kali kisong kali ngila bo yukon begin rong bech kata ka ban thoi ka sam kumban kalong kelumar haga ta kom tang kata nga ajmut ba nang ne sekmat pade ban yaj bech ya ka exam ki khna ba pas na ka no gendong
ha ka bayadai bakani ke jingja NEHU u registrar ka skul ba NEHU Omkar Singh ulong ba ke jingslem ka dai namar ke jingthot jong ka biometric system kabasya meka fingerprints jongki kena pulie kebe khone ke eksamin haswa be new rong haki kamera tho eksamin ulong haba ke biometrics kam shimna trekam kila pentip mardor shake NTA bat pan jingbet ban penlong ke eksamin klem da penan kam ya ke biometrics nrai namar ke jingma myo jingbet ke mishimla la ban penlong ya ke eksamin ha ke por ke balabo ha ke bayadai ba ke jing keno ya ke jing bam pen krek ba jong ke skul ba NEHU ban penlong ya ke eksamin registrar ulong bakan NEHU kadai tang ka baai jaka ban penlong ya ke eksamin bade ke eksamin la penya de pok ke jing khmi ke NTA ndai ulah kubur pat bakan NEHU kala dai ban pen krea bha ha ka bai dai bat ke jing buan palat juki khna iblawan menekon ya ke eksamin.
It's not a case for slackness or unpreparedness on part of NEHU. You may like to cite the reasons for what purpose you are saying that, but I would say that there is no. So you will have to realize the levels that is involved in the exam. NEHU is not the exam organized. It's only we are organizing here. The question paper has to come from NTA. For everything, the clearance has to come from NTA. So for every aspect, we'll have to get back to NTA. And since jammers have been placed in this place, I'm not able to use my phone. I have to go out of this place to call them up. So these are the things. Yes, I can accept one aspect that crowd management could have been better.
What is the main reason for the delay? What is that?
I told you the main reason that the biometric system did not work. I cannot start the exam without biometric system.
I mean, NTA should not be blamed so much because NTA is a distant entity. In fact, we have to take part of the blame on ourselves. As I am talking as NEHU faculty or as a parent, part of the blame falls on us as well. So government also has to see this situation. I want government to be more sensitive to the situation, to the plight of the children that has happened today, especially in an important center like NEHU. So therefore, keeping everything in mind, government should really consider it, whether it can be made optional. It should not be strictly made mandatory. That will deprive many of our children from getting further admission.